Welcome back to Top Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to explain why the blower motor keeps running when the car is off. First, check the blower motor relay. Make sure that relay is not faulty. So what you want to do is you want to take the blower motor relay and swap it with another relay. And if that blower motor turns off, then that's how you know you're going to have a blower motor relay that is sticking on the inside. If the blower motor relay checks out fine, then next you might have a bad blower motor resistor. So make sure to check the resistor connection for corrosion and make sure it is not burnt. If you look at this resistor over here, you can see it is discolored, and this is actually a bad blower motor resistor. If you replace the blower motor resistor and it keeps burning out, then you're going to have a bad blower motor. If that blower motor is failing, it is going to draw too much current and it can cause that blower motor resistor to keep burning out. If I suspect that the blower motor resistor is the issue, one thing I like to do is I like to remove the casing and I like to inspect the inside on it. If the circuit board looks burnt and when you sniff it and it smells burnt as well, that's how I know this blower motor resistor might be bad. And of course, you could always use a multimeter and set it to ohms, and you want to check the resistance on it and compare it to manufacturer spec. If I suspect that the blower motor might be the issue, one thing I like to do is I like to supply power to the blower motor and I want to listen to the blower motor. The blower motor should not be making any noise at all. It should not be making a grind noise. It should not be making a buzzing noise. It should not be making a clacking noise, and so on. Also, the blade should not be wobbly as well. If you supply power to the blower motor and the blower motor is spinning very slowly, or it stops moving, or it is seized, then that's how you know you're going to have a bad blower motor. If you checked everything and that blower motor is still running, then you might have a bad climate control module. And if you replace this part and this part is not the issue, then the only thing I can think of that is left, it is going to be either you're going to have an electrical issue or a short, or you might actually have a bad ignition switch. If the ignition switch is stuck in the on position, it is going to constantly feed power to all accessories. And if that fan is on, then that blower motor is going to keep running. I hope you found this lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.